This video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your computer. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So if you want to get WordPress, it is pretty much simple. All you need to do is to go to Microsoft Store. Here it is, and go ahead and click on it. From here, you'll need to go ahead and create a free account. You can create this using your Google account. And once you're here, you can now go ahead and search for the app that you so wish. For my case, I want to download WordPress and it is here. So if you can't find it, just go ahead and search on top here. So if you go ahead and search WordPress, you can see our WordPress is here. So to download it, just click on get it, or you can as well just open it and then you'll see the get it function here. So go ahead and click on get it and the download will begin straight away. Once it has been downloaded, it will be installed on your computer, and therefore you can launch it straight from here, or you can even pin it to start menu. So if I go ahead and click on open, WordPress program will be opened and launched on your computer. As you can see, mine is here. Now, should you want to use or to find your program each and every time, it is pretty much simple. You can head over here, down here, and then you will see we have the WordPress.com program already. It can be launched from here. Alternatively, you can as well go ahead and click on start menu and you'll see your WordPress software is under recently added programs. Right click on it and then pin to start menu, and you can easily now access your WordPress from here. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.